Hello everyone, today we're diving into the impressive features of the Noctua Nitrogen Monohydride D15 G2, a dual-tower CPU cooler that's the second generation of the iconic, award-winning Nitrogen Monohydride D15, now offering even better quiet cooling performance with 8 heat pipes, 20% more surface area, and innovative Nitrogen Monofluoride A14x25r G2 fans. This standard all-round version is perfect for AMD AM5 and Intel LGA1851, and even LGA1700 when using the included NMISW1 washers to reduce CPU warp, making it ideal for high-performance processors like the Ryzen 9 9950X and Core Ultra 285K. The cooler comes equipped with two state-of-the-art Nitrogen Monofluoride A14x25r G2 140mm fans that feature speed offset for acoustic fine-tuning, along with low-noise adapters and PWM for automatic speed control, ensuring maximum efficiency under load and near silence at idle. Its offset design with recessed lower fins clears the top PCIe X16 slot on most current motherboards and offers 59mm RAM clearance in single fan mode, or 32mm with both fans, so be sure to check the Noctua Compatibility Center for more details. The package includes superior NTH2 thermal paste and a Torx-based SecuFirm 2 Plus mounting system with an NMSD1 screwdriver for easy installation on a range of sockets, including AMD AM5 and AM4, as well as Intel LGA1851, LGA1700, LGA1200, and LGA115X. With its advanced design and cutting-edge technology, the Noctua Nitrogen Monohydride D15 G2 is a top choice for those seeking exceptional cooling performance and whisper-quiet operation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.